Welcome back. Hopefully you have watched our introduction to one-point perspective and you're ready to get started. Alright, so what we need for today's project is a blank piece of paper, a ruler, a pencil, and an eraser. Make sure you do have an eraser because I am certain we will be using it today. And a positive attitude, and we're going to rock this. Alright, so the first thing we have to decide is where to put our horizon line. The higher you put the horizon line, the more it's going to feel like you're looking down on something. The lower you put your horizon line, the more it's going to look like you are looking up at something. So I generally try to keep my horizon line in this area right here. Alright, so we are going to go for just a little bit higher, but not too high. It's just above our middle. Alright, so we have our nice straight line. Next, we are going to put in our vanishing point. Our whole picture is going to be built off of this vanishing point. So make sure it's where you want it. So the next thing we're going to do is we are going to draw a set of lines that go from one end of the vanishing point all the way to the edge of the page. Make sure you are using your ruler so you have nice straight lines. We want nice straight lines just like this. So our lines are going to that vanishing point. We are also going to come up here and we are going to draw those lines going upward as well. 1, and I'll put this one a little bit higher, and 2. Once again, we've used our ruler to keep them nice and straight. We don't have any wobbles on these lines. Our next step is we are going to set up the sidewalk. So what we're going to do is we are going to draw another set of lines. See, that line did not connect at that center point, and because I don't want it to throw off the rest of our picture, I am going to erase and redo it. It's okay to make mistakes. It's okay to erase. And if you can catch the mistake early, then you can turn it into something beautiful. Alright. We need one more set of lines coming from the vanishing point for this. This is going to be super close to the first line that we did. This is the ledge of our sidewalk. Alright. So far, we have our sidewalk drawn. We're going to come over here and we're going to draw a horizontal line that goes straight through this set of the sidewalk. We're not going to go to the other side of the paper. We're going to do another one right underneath it. And we're going to do another one a little ways away like this. And we are going to erase this part of our sidewalk. What we have just done is created an intersection. And we're going to erase this little bitty piece so we can fix that corner, because this would have a nice corner. And we do need to draw one more set of lines right here and another one over here. It's a little bit closer, so it's going to be a little bit wider, and that's okay. We still want these lines to be horizontal because they are on our x-axis. Remember, lines that are on the x-axis or the y-axis are going to be perfectly straight. The only diagonal lines come when you are going to the vanishing point, which is in the z-plane, the z-axis. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to come in here So we're going to draw some lines, nice straight lines. These lines will end up being the lines for our sidewalk. As you get further and further away, they're going to get smaller and start to blend in with each other, and that's okay. We want them to get smaller the further they go away. We're going to do the same thing moving forward. We're going to draw those lines. So as you can see, I'm just finishing out these lines that are horizontal. And then for this part, we're just going to go straight down at those lines. Same thing here. Alright, I am not going to draw this part of the sidewalk yet until we have added in our buildings, because I don't want to do double work and have to erase. Alright, but I know I will see this portion of our road, our sidewalk. Alright, so now to start adding in buildings. First thing we're going to do is draw some vertical lines. So we're going to go all the way up to this line right here that we've already drawn. We're going to come over here and we're going to draw another line, and this is one building front. The side of this building is going to go straight back, because this is a 1-point perspective and our horizontal lines are on our x-axis, so those lines are going to be perfectly straight. Our next step is going to be to draw another vertical line. I'm going to make this one a little bit higher, and that's okay. We're just going to go to that horizon line, that vanishing point, and we're going to draw our line. It's going to extend off the page, and we're going to erase the lines that are inside. Alright, so far, so good. I'm going to add in one more building on this side. We're going to go straight up. It is going to be another taller building. Your buildings get to be any size you want. That line is a little crooked. If you can catch your crooked lines, do so. It's going to save it in the long run. draw one more vertical line. And we're going to draw a horizontal line here. And there we have one side of our picture done with the base of our pictures, or of our buildings. We're going to come over here to this corner, and we are going to draw a line going straight up. And my ruler moved on me just a little bit, so I do want to fix that line. There we go. So I'm not going to need this part of the sidewalk anymore. We're also going to come right here to this corner and draw a line going up. It's going to meet that line. We're going to come over here, take that line straight across to the, runs into that building. Alright, we're going to erase this line right here. We're going to draw this line. And we're going to come over here, we're going to do another line. This one's going to be taller, but not too much taller. We're going to draw our line to the center, vanishing point, and our line going straight across. This one I might have another line come straight down to show that that is the end of that building. And we're going to finish erasing those inside lines. Alright, so this is going to be our stopping point for right now. So you should have, hang on, wait, before I say that, let's get that last building fully situated. Like so, and we can erase that very back line there. Alright. It would have the horizon line still there. But we will continue this video. Our next video will go into how to add details like windows, awnings, doors, signage. Please do not add any suns or clouds to your picture yet. And I can't wait to see where you're at and how your pictures progress. And I will see you next time.